Hi, welcome to Brainweaver's e-trade retail management system. In continuation to the previous session, today also we will discuss about few of the MIS reports. To invoke the MIS report, by clicking the mouse right button in the home screen, we can see in the pop-up menu in the top MIS report. Click on this MIS report. Here various managerial information system reports are stacked in this form. Depend upon the requirement, we can make use of these various reports. If you want to know the category wise product stock information, by clicking this category wise product stock button, you can generate a report like how many categories you have defined in the system, and in each category what is the current quantity has stock in hand, and the quantity is worth how much amount, that we can see in this report on a rank wise method. In which category more quantity is lying as stock as well as value, that information we can see in this report. So we can very easily identify in which category I have invested more cash, or in which category the more dead stock is lying. Such information we can easily compare with the help of this category wise closing stock report. So it is advisable whenever you create an item based on the nature of that product, it is advisable to create category and move the items to the related categories, so that you can very easily generate category wise closing stock, category wise profit information. All such information you can generate with the help of this MIS report. This report is very useful for the management to take various decisions, and they can focus more attention to the various categories to improve the sales relating to the category in which more stock is lying. The another report is, if you want to know how much product I have purchased during a specific period of time in quantity wise, the report should be like which product quantity I have purchased more, that should appear as rank 1. In that way, I want to generate a report like how much purchases I have done during a specific period of time. By entering the date range, here we can see one option like product invade quantity wise. By clicking this, we can see a report like out of the 100 or thousands of inventory, by a single click, we can generate a report of during a specific period of time which product I have purchased more. Such a report I can generate with the help of this product report based on the purchase. Here in this report, there are various products are in this report. The top product I have purchased during this period is sugar. The unit of measure is kg. I have purchased 2203 kilogram of sugar during the period 9th January 2024 to 9th January 2025. During the whole year, I have purchased sugar as the top quantity product I have purchased. The second product I have purchased in quantity wise is rice ceremony. Here we can see I have purchased 285 kg. So in this way, also we can make an analysis during a specific period of time which product I have purchased and what are the top quantity purchased product, that we can easily understand with the help of this report. Now what we have checked is the top purchased product on quantitative wise. If I want to know the amount wise product purchase information, which product I have purchased more as amount wise, here we can see sugar 2203 quantity or kg I have purchased during this period, and it is worth amount 88,157. Quantity as well as value information you can see in this report. This is also very useful for the management to understand what are the products I have purchased during a specific period of time. At the same time, which product I have purchased more and what is the value of that total quantity. All this information we can see in this report. The another report is I want to know during a specific period of time in which bill or in which sales bill I have generated more profit. By running the report of profit and loss account, we can get the information about the total profit I have earned during a specific period of time. Other than that, I also want to be more specific by selling which product I have received or generated more profit and in which bill I generated more profit. That report we can generate with the help of these top profit generated bills. Click on this button. Here we can see the top profit generated bill number is 230414. The bill amount is 50,000. The purchase value or cost amount is 25,000, and in this single bill I have earned 25,000 profit. The second top profit generated bill is 230395. Cost amount, bill amount, margin. In this way, we will get the top profit generated bills ranked wise in this report. In this report, what is showing is which bill or out of the which bill I have generated more profit. If I want to know by selling which product I have generated more profit, here product wise profit generation, there is one feature. By clicking this, we can see the previous report against which bill we have generated more profit. That information is available in the previous report. Here in this report, by selling which product I generated more profit, that we can see in this product wise profit report. Here we can see wedding video normal. By selling this service, I have generated a profit of 87,576. And the second top profit generated product I have sold is motor pump 5 HP Kirloskar. I have sold 6 numbers of this motor pump during the period 9th January 2024 to 9th January 2025. When I sold 6 numbers of this motor pump, I have generated a profit of 48,000. This report is also very useful because we can very easily identify which product is giving us more profit, that we can see in this report. Similarly, if you want to know in everyday or daily basis, there may be a number of walking customers or counter customers will be coming into your store. They will be buying different products, and we will register each walking customers. Whenever we make or generate a sales invoice, we will ask the counter customer the customer's phone number and name. During a specific period of time, I want to generate a report to which walking customer I have sold more product or more goods. That information we can generate by clicking this walk-in customer button. Whenever you enter or select a walk-in customer while you generate a sales invoice, and if you have attached or registered or selected any walk-in customer at the time of generating a sales invoice, that sales invoice will be tagged with this walk-in customer's contact number and name information. So out of the various walk-in customers we have sold, here in the top we can see the first person, Jason, is the top customer during this period 9th January 2024 to 9th January 2025. We have sold goods worth 62,880 to the walk-in customer Jason or counter customer Jason. The second walk-in customer is Ajmal Raj. He has purchased goods worth 6,400 from us. By generating this report, either monthly or quarterly base, we can identify who is your top walk-in customer during the specific period, and based on that, if you want for the sales promotional activity, you can also give any prices to this top walk-in customers to motivate them to visit your store regularly and buy more products from you. If they know that in every month you are giving some gift or other consolation prices to the walk-in customers, all the walk-in customers will come to your store and make more purchases to achieve the monthly or quarterly gift from you. This is very useful for sales promotional activities. Similarly, we have generated a report of top profit generated bills. If you want to know during a specific period of time who is the top selling customer. By clicking this customer button, here we can see walking customer is the top customer who has purchased goods from us, and out of the walking customer we have generated a margin of 2,64,682. To understand out of this walking customer who is the exact counter customer, by running the walking customer history we can easily identify who is the top sales generated walking customer during a or counter customer during a specific period of time. Other than the walking customer, we can also understand if we have generated or created a separate ledger for other customers, we can easily understand with the help of this report who is your top margin generated customer during a specific period of time. In this, customer Anand is the second top profit generated customer. He has purchased goods worth 1,71,532. The cost amount is coming 1,29,172, and the margin we have generated from this specific customer is 42,360. This report is also useful if you are making any sales promotional or business promotional activity by giving special gift or other consolation prices to motivate the customers to place more orders to you and insist them to buy more products from you. Another MIS report is if you want to know during a specific period of time how many products I have purchased. For example, suppose there are 10,000 of various products in your inventory. Some of the items may be you have purchased in the previous years, after that you haven't purchased. There may be some old opening stock lying there in various products, and in your regular business days you may be buying some regular products based on the stock availability. Out of that, if you want to know which product I have purchased during a specific interval, by entering the date range, by clicking this purchased button, whatever products are displayed in this report, it means we have purchased that product during this interval 9th January to 9th January 2025. The closing stock purchase sales is the actual sales and purchase, and what is the closing stock at the moment, that information also we can see in this report. Whatever items mentioned in this report means these items we have purchased during the date range we have entered before generating this report. The same way, if you also want to know how many products I haven't purchased during a specific period, by clicking these products not purchased, whatever products displayed in this report means these products are having some closing stock at the moment, may or may not have the closing stock, but this item we haven't purchased during the date range we have entered here. This report is also very useful if you want to analyze what are the products I have purchased in the last year or in the previous month, or in the last fourth quarter, second quarter, first quarter, that we can very easily generate with the help of this report. Similarly, in the end of each month, if you want to generate a report of salesman commission, how many salesmen are registered in our salesman register, out of that, how much amount is earned by different salesmen, that information we can generate by entering the date range by clicking this salesman commission multi means multiple salesmen in a single sales bill, as well as a single salesman in a single bill. That information we can generate by clicking this salesman commission multiple button. Here we can see during the date range 9th January 2024 to 9th January 2025. These are the various salesmen, each salesman's salesman ID, how much commission earned by here. The top first salesperson is Deba. Deba has earned only 5 rupees during the date range. Under the salesman Deba, only one sales bill is generated worth rupees 100. The commission at the time when the sales bill was generated was 5%. Based on that, Deba has earned 5 rupees only during the date range we have entered. Another person is salesperson is Google. Google has attended 2 sales and the total sales amount is 68,050. His commission is also 5%. During this date range, he has earned 3,402 as salesman commission. In this way, each month or end of the each month, you can generate this report to understand how many commission is earned by different salesmen, and during this month how much commission we have to pay to various salesmen, that we can generate with the help of this salesman commission report. In this report, it is very clear that against which bill the salesman has generated or earned the salesman commission, that we can see in this report. One more information is there in the bill number. Whichever bill number is prefixed with the alphabet S is means in this sales bill only single salesman is involved. If any of the sales bill is preceding with the alphabet M, it means in this specific bill there are multiple salesmen is involved. So it is very easy to reconcile as well as understand in a single sales bill whether there was only a single salesman or is there any multiple salesmen in a single bill. That we can easily understand by seeing these prefixes S and M. So every month you can generate this report to distribute the salesman commission. There are various management information systems are available. In the next session, we will discuss the other managerial information system reports that we haven't discussed today. So thank you. Thank you for watching this video.